So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a Richer Craft Professional, and today we're going to be learn a multiple layers, especially the thin hair, how to make with bouncy look. And in this the feather combination and 90-degree combination and over directions, each and every haircut was mentioned and combined in this. So before that I'm just using Techniart root shoot. Hair was pretty much thin and limp. I want to give something voluminous, bouncy blow dry the end finishing. So before that's why I'm just using these styling products. So after that I kept to use according to my viewers was asking something like cutting cape and neck rolls. So I bought iconic cutting capes for specially for, and thank you for the supporting such things and just suggesting to me in every way in very kind informative, and definitely I willing to be improved again. And I thanks a lot for all of you whoever comments with such things got improve in more. I'm really happy to see again to myself to be improving with the different improving the haircut techniques and all. So simple, the front banks got separate and the horseshoe sections took with the center portion, and now ear to ear I'm going to separate. And after that I come to with the back portions very soon. So before that I'm just going to tell you this haircut is going to be something combination and over direction on the layers. So the back portions completely are made with separate big section, and I'm just help up to comb also I'm explaining you guys. So back portion I got to release. I'm just going to give one length basic haircut before start the layer. My client was demanding exactly shoulder length, and apart from the length she wants carry some multi layers. Apart from the layers she want to carry some pony and all. That's a concept I kept in mind and just giving according to the layers what she. Basically the multi-layer haircut techniques are combinations. Elevations will become over directions will be there, and feather movements it will become insist with the existing layers. So end of the day not going to be collapse the length, whatever is the remain curve part it will be going to be add in front feather layers. So before that exactly center profile I pick 90-degree, saving the bottom length and rest of the hair converting in the layer. And another section same previous guideline I'm following. Every guidelines and every sections took with vertical waist thin section and consistently following the guideline, and rest of the hair add the layers. That I'm cross checking, then again I'll come to another side and take with stationary guideline and same thing and following. The last section will be going to finish. Now I'm going to cross check both the side the even. Now I release the side portion. These hair I'll take with connecting with the back or directing with exactly one length straight one length. I'm just giving a basic haircut in the bottom. Why I'm not taking exactly the below in the ear? Why? Because I want to convert in the front frame layers, and before the length I want to be keep save and give to the O direction layers, and after that feather layers also I'm just going to insist in this. case. So this will be something going to be different on the compared to other haircut. After that, I'm cross checking. Now I come to another side, the same technique I followed what I done the previous that side. Taking as over direction on the layers. Now I come to just giving with the rest of the remaining hair, adding the feather movement. And same guideline I'm following to another side. Both the sections got even, and just little bit the hair was still remain, and bulk of the section I pick and just convert completely finish the layer. Now I release the crown sections, the big horseshoe section I got released, and I pick the guideline exactly the crown, center of the crown, and rest of the hair converting to the diagonal back layers. To be finished. After that, I'm cross checked. Now I release the fringe. Before that, I just front hairline I just took and take exactly below the nose and just adding horizontal fringe, and that thing I'm just taking as guideline, the converting layer fringes. That's it. So all the side I'm just finishing up same way. Now this is my cut got finished. I'm just showing to her messy layers. I'm just putting a pony also. I'm just showing her representing with in front of her before start a blow dry. This is the messy look of the layers. Now after that I'm just going to start the blow dry, and before that I'm explaining to my client the messy layers how it will be going to carry forward. I'm just doing as blow dry. Now completely back portion going to finish. I come to side portion. Now I come to crown portion. Now I come to fringe portion. This last portion going to be finish the blow dry. I just got released. This is the complete of the messy, bouncy finishing layers, which can after come the transformation, the multi techniques and combination layers. Hope you seen it perfectly, and the layer was looking very much voluminous and bouncier look, and hope you all had enjoyed to this video during of the sessions overall, that you can just see completely uniform layers. And I'm just releasing the front frames, that you can just see how much volume on the hair and how much density was visible after the blow dry styling. So now I'm going to give a texture. So before that, I'm just reconfirming to my client, which will be visible very clear and proper. The glossy finishing is come on the hair layers. But too much of volume, you can see the much more better than before to compare to previous look. And that is the concept of the root shoot volume lifter, which can give something good body and volume on the hair. I'm just giving a texture. I'm just going to be finished complete of the cut. Hope you all are enjoyed the video and understand too. If you have any doubts, any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'm looking forward to such comments. If you want, if I need to be improve something on the haircut, please let me know in the comments below. Please do support and just keep supporting you guys. Because of your love, I just became standing today here, and just I got a lot of viewers with a pretty much just keep supporting to me such a way, and just keep motivating myself from your sides. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for every time you'll get notification. So this is my final look completely. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comments below. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.